Hi friend, I hope you are fine. Today I have fashion Instagram post bundle. First folder is cute fashion and elegant fashion, promotion, silver shop, turn paper and fitting watercolor. All files are PSD. So first I start are you can adjust your photo and you can change color, you can change shape. And the second is timeline view. So simply you can adjust your image here, write your any text here, promotion, and you can adjust your photo, silver shop. Here is 9 file, all folder have 9 file. Turn paper is wow, here is 10 file, and fitting watercolor is 9 file. So I apply this file, for example drag to Photoshop. This time I have no any picture about fitting related, so just a simple image, just for example like this. Control Shift L and drag here, enter, create clipping mask, and then Control S and your photo. You can write anything here or change any color. For example, select her dress color or background. Okay, I know you can do better, so I close this file. Okay, and open other files. Silver shop, wow, silver sale shop 75%. Simply open any image, example okay, enter, Control S, and your photo is here. Select background and you can adjust any color. You can apply gradient overlay like this, or you can change any color if you want. Wow, I close this file and open other file. Here is promotion. Okay, I drag this file, so reopen with Photoshop. And here we need a laptop computer or about related promotion related photo like this. Drag here, enter, Control S, write your any title and change your color, apply gradient overlay, or you can apply an image. I close this file and open last file. Here is simply you can adjust and you can write any title here, and simple you can apply for sale. So double click here for photo, like this. Control S, you can change any color or etc if you want. I hope this video is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care.